Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to talk about how we're opening up our services to accommodate some of the other services that you guys cover inside your carpet cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name is John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaners like you booked out with jobs using our specialist digital marketing program. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning business owners as humanly possible, whether that's through our specialist digital marketing program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Pretty much exclusively since the start of AGB, our digital marketing program is focused exclusively on carpet cleaning jobs, generating residential carpet cleaning jobs specifically using Facebook, and we've had and continue to have incredible success with that. But there was one particular person, one particular carpet cleaner, and for whatever reason we were struggling to get some results when it came to carpet cleaning. And so we had a conversation with him and we got talking to him. He said, look, I do tile cleaning as well. How do you feel about giving that a go in terms of trying your digital marketing program that overall has worked amazing for carpet cleaners? How do you feel about seeing if we can kind of adapt it to generate tile cleaning jobs? He said, if we can get it to work, the ticket price, because I can charge by the square foot and all the rest of it, the amount of money I make from a tile cleaning job typically going to be way more than actually if we were generating carpet cleaning jobs. So I'd really like to give it a try. In the beginning, I was really apprehensive. I thought, I'm not sure if this is going to work. Don't know if if Facebook is the right platform for tile cleaning or anything like that. But I said, look, I'll give it a go. I'm not making any guarantees, but I'll give it a go. And so we built out a campaign. We adapted what we'd been doing to get carpet cleaning jobs. We adapted it for tile cleaning, and we launched this campaign, and it absolutely crushed it. Another such story was a guy that approached us who had a pressure washing company. He said, hey man, I've been following you guys for ages. Love what you're doing. Love your content. I've heard such amazing things about your specialist digital marketing program. I don't own a carpet cleaning business. I own a pressure washing business. Would you be open to seeing if it would work for me as well? Again, I was a little apprehensive. I was I said, let's give it a go. Not making any promises, not making any guarantees, but I'll give it a try. Again, we adapted our specialist program specifically for carpet cleaners. We adapted that for pressure washing, and we launched this guy's campaign, and he made $30,000 in the first 30 days with us. 30 grand. Wow. And ever since then, although I've never really publicly talked about it per se, for some of our current clients and stuff, we are doing tile cleaning campaigns. We are also doing pressure washing campaigns, not just carpet cleaning campaigns, and we're doing them with great success. And so I thought it's probably about time that we announce to the world that, hey, look, if you own a carpet cleaning business and you also offer tile cleaning or pressure washing, we've got a campaign, we've got a digital marketing program that will crush it for you. If you're watching this and you're a current client and you like to try a tile campaign, we can give it a go. And although for the most part, we specialize in, and most of our background is in generating carpet cleaning jobs. If you specifically own a pressure washing company that just does pressure washing, or if you specifically own a tile cleaning company, we can get you results. We can do this for you as well. So I just wanted to announce to the world, yes, AGB, Specialist Digital Marketing Agency for the carpet cleaning industry. But if you're a carpet cleaner and you do tile and pressure washing as well, we got campaigns that are going to crush it for those services. So feel free to reach out. And if you don't own a carpet cleaning company, even though we market ourselves as carpet cleaning specific, if you own a tile company, if you own a pressure washing company, we can crush it for you guys too. So feel free to reach out and talk to us, and we'd be happy to walk you through how we can take your business to the next level. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. And if you would like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our specialist program, head down to the description as well, where you'll find all the necessary links and information so you can kind of book a call with us. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.